Okay, there you go.
Done? Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Hi there. Hi there.
Hello.
Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Christine and this is my daughter Rachel.
Hi guys.
And today for you we have our November Boxycharm unboxing.
But I think there's a new thing because I don't think they've seen me with my hair up. Yay! Dad's gonna do this in editing. I'm sorry. Yay!
Are you done?
Yes. You gotta have fun sometimes.
Rachel, even Ruby's staring at me.
Hey, you gotta have fun sometimes.
Okay. So, on with the unboxing. We already took a sneak peek through this box, and I like it. It's not my favorite box I've ever gotten, but I do like it, and I think I'll get use out of most of the items.
I have to say, it is a very pretty box.
Which part of it?
Like all the products, they're just so pretty looking.
Their theme for this month is Stellar. It's very pretty. And the first thing I saw when I opened the box, besides the card, was this sample concealer packet from Pretty Vulgar. And I wasn't sure what this was about because we're supposed to get all full-size products. But then I read online, we are supposed to test this on ourselves and then go and answer a survey online to better match your concealer shade in future boxes. So it sounds like we'll be getting some foundation and or concealers in our future boxes. So that's what that is, and I haven't tested on myself. Just by looking at it, I think I'm pretty sure what shade I am. But I am going to use it now. I haven't used anything in the box yet. I will maybe do a video or an Instagram post using everything in the box, and we'll see how it goes.
It is pretty nifty that they do this, because I think it would really help people who have trouble with matching their foundations.
Maybe.
So I do have trouble sometimes matching foundations, and I think that would really help people like me.
Yeah, if I get a foundation one in the mail like that, I'll let you try it, okay?
Okay, alright.
Alright, so I'm just going to go by what the first thing on the list is so that it's easier to just read you the information for the products. So the first thing listed on the list is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette. It is a really pretty palette. I did take a peek at it. I haven't used it yet. And its retail value is $35. So let's pull that out. They do have it packed really nicely this month. There's an eyeshadow palette in there, but they've got a nice foam, like egg carton type foam around the eyeshadow palette to keep it from getting bounced around. So that was nice to see. And this is the palette.
It is so pretty, and I love the name. Celestial Thunder. So cool.
It is related to, I'm not sure if there are repeat shades in this one, to her much larger palette. It's called Celestial Storm.
Ooh.
I don't have that palette to compare them, but this one is much smaller. And again, I'm not sure if they repeated any of the shades in it or not, but the shades are really beautiful.
They are really pretty.
It's a very
I
pretty,
have to go look at Celestial Storm because I think this as a whole, I've never seen these products before, and it is just pretty. I want to see the full thing now, because if it's as pretty as this, I would buy it.
I've never tried Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadows. That one you're not going to be able to see at all because it's a very pretty glittery topper. That one's Eternal Light. It's very, very pretty though. This is one of the mattes though, and it looks pigmented.
I adore vivid pigments, so this is really speaking to my heart.
So that is the Dominique Cosmetics palette. Everyone got this palette in their box this time. That wasn't one of the, it wasn't a variation. Everybody got the palette. So that was really nice too. Okay, on to the next thing. This one was actually a choice item in the box. You could have gotten this and a different product. I don't even have the name of the different product. They didn't put it on the card. But this is the one that I did choose, so I got the one that I chose. And I think the brand is called Kypress. It's an antioxidant dew quench and glow serum that retails for $90.
And just look at this box. That is really eye-catching.
This is the box. It's white with gold filigree on the front, and it has some information, a description on the side. Antioxidant Dew lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. Did not have skincare wardrobe.
Well, you gotta have a skincare box, so maybe it's the same thing.
This is what the bottle looks like. It's really pretty. It's like that milk bottle blue. It has a nice big dropper, and it's a big bottle. This has 1.59 fluid ounces in it. Most of your
Wow.
serums and things are an ounce. So it's a white, milky fluid. Let's smell it. I don't know if I smell anything. Yeah, it's a little herbally.
Yeah, just a tiny bit. It kind of reminds me of,
It
what is
feels
that
very
herb?
slippy and watery, and seems to be going right into the skin.
Which is a very good thing.
Yeah, it is now. It takes a few seconds for it to go into your skin. I was afraid it was leaving kind of a greasy texture, but it's not. It feels like there isn't, that I didn't put anything on my skin. So I'm gonna give that a shot. I'm in the middle of some other ones right now, so it might take me a little bit of time, but we will make good use of that. Next, we have a Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. That is awesome. I love Dose of Colors formula. I love their bullet lipsticks, and I love their liquid lipsticks. This one is in the shade Date Night, and it's supposed to be a very cherry red, and the retail value on that is $18. It is a full size.
Now, I do love liquid lipsticks, but I always go for Stila. But I might try this, because I've never, ever tried this before.
That's red, alright. Oh, it's really pretty. That's going to be really pretty for the
Oh,
holidays.
that's such a perfect looking red. Go show them.
It's going to be really, really pretty for
It's
Christmas.
not orangey at all. And I do have that trouble with lipsticks that they turn orange, and that's not good. But this,
We'll see
that's
how
a
it dries
perfect
down.
red.
See if it dries down before the end of the video. But I'm not a huge liquid lipstick lover because they tend to dry out your lips, and I'm so dry already. But Dose of Colors is a good formula. It's not that drying, and this is going to be a beautiful color for Christmas time. So
Ooh, you're right.
sure, I will get use out of it. So that is one, two, three. We're on our fourth product. The Haru Haru Wonder Maki Berry. I've never heard of that.
Never heard of it.
The Aki or Akai Berry, but this one's an M.
Oh, I've heard of the berry.
M-A-Q-I. Q-U-I, I'm sorry. It's an oxidant mask set. It contains extracts of the Makai berry. This mask provides your skin with antioxidant. Wow, that is quite a tongue twister. Antioxidant and anti-aging effects. Its patented technology in this mask encourages healthy skin functions like regeneration and anti-inflammation, and targets many skin imperfections. It is 100% pure cotton. That they use a non-chlorine bleaching process on, so it is supposed to be very, very, very good for sensitive skin. So the retail value of that is $9, and there are 2 of them in here, and they appear to be the same exact mask.
Well, looks like we're gonna have to do a mask video soon.
Yeah, I haven't done any masks in a while. We usually try to do that on Saturday, but we haven't been for the past couple weeks. Okay, onwards and upwards. The next product is from Glam Glow. It's their Insta Mud. This mud treatment immediately activates into micro bubbles on contact, creating a lavender bubble cushion for the skin with an oxygenating tingle to let you know it's working. A dull, tired complexion is newly invigorated. Skin is energized. It's like a filter for your face, it says. Okay, I love masking, and I've always wanted to try a Glam Glow mask, but I don't like the ones that bubble.
I've tried the bubble masks. They're quite weird. I felt just so weird about it.
Yeah,
But the look afterwards just made my skin look awesome.
they feel tickly. It feels like something's tickling my face, and I didn't like the sensation of it. But I am going to try this. This retails for $42. So yeah, I'm going to use it. If I hate it, I will pass the remainder of the mask on to someone else. But I didn't like that feeling the last time. So let's pump a little bit of it out. Today would be
Hard
good.
to pump the first time you use it.
Oh, there it went. It's purple.
Oh, it's purple. How strange.
Let's see if it does that bubbly, tickly thing. It smells kind of minty.
Oh, it does. Oh, that's gonna be so weird feeling on my skin.
The packaging for their products is so cute all the time. They use really bright colors and the Glam Glow logo is cute. Yep, it's bubbling up. Yeah, I guess it is. It did say in there that it was lavender. It's turned into a bunch of bubbles. I don't know if you can see that very good on the camera, but it's bubbling up on my hand. It's kind of different on your hand versus your face. On my hand, it doesn't feel like it's tickling me right now, but we'll see what that's like on the face. And then you leave it on for so long, and then you rinse it off. This is a rinse off mask. So that is the last thing in our box this month. And the reason I said at the beginning that we also, I'm sorry, have a coupon in here for Dragon Beauty. It's for 30% off the Natasha. Oh, there's two. There's one for Natasha Denona too. 15% off of a purchase over $80 on Dragon Beauty, and then 30% off on Natasha Denona's Safari, Sunset, or it says eyeshadow palette 28. I don't know what that is. I've never heard of that. But I do know that the Safari and the Sunset palette will set you back a pretty penny, so having a coupon like that for it is really great.
Pretty nice. I've never heard of Dragon Beauty, but I'm willing to try new things, so.
Okay. That mask is going to turn your face purple for a while and bubble up. It's really weird. I don't think it's staining, it's just you're going to have a purple face. That's just what color it is. So that was it. That was the last of our products. And the reason that I said that I wasn't all that thrilled with this box this month is because some people got some Boxycharm brushes in their boxes. So I'm a little jealous of those people because I just wanted to try it. I don't know if Boxycharm has ever developed brushes before. I've never had any in any of my boxes. So I was kind of excited to get some of their brushes and try them out, but that's alright. Maybe it'll be in a Boxy pop-up or something later and I can buy one or two and try them out. I do like everything that came in the box. Everything in here will be used for sure. So Boxycharm is still, I think, my favorite subscription box, monthly subscription box. I would have to say FabFitFun is my favorite subscription box of all time. But the Boxycharm and BoxyLuxe is right up there. I think that's going to do it for us today. What do you think?
I very much like the box. There's some really interesting stuff that I would really like to try, like the palette and the red lipstick. I love the red lipstick. I don't know why. It just looks amazing on me. And it is so hard to find a good red like that. So very hard.
Yeah, this one looks like a pretty blue-based red, so it's going to make your teeth look really white and pretty. And it has dried down, and I would say it's just a tad bit darker than it was when I put it on, and it's really matte. Very, very matte. So I think that's going to be really nice for Christmas. Okay, folks, thank you so much for joining us tonight for this very laid-back, casual video. If you like this type of video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and also please click on that bell so you can be notified if we put up other videos. Also, go over please and follow me on Instagram. That's Christine_Elaine72. That would make my day. I'd be so happy. Other than that, we hope that you're happy, healthy, wherever you may be tonight, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye!